Looking for the best camping chairs in 2026? In this video, we review the top camping chairs that combine comfort, durability, and portability for every outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, fishing, hiking, or relaxing at the beach, choosing the right chair makes a big difference. Stay tuned as we break down the best options, compare features, and help you find the perfect camping chair for your needs. Number 3. The Timber Ridge Aluminum Camping Director's Chair, Navy 2-Pack, is a heavy-duty, well-designed seating option that combines durability, comfort, and portability for outdoor use. Whether you're heading to a camping trip, picnic, sports event, or even using at home, this chair delivers reliable performance. Built with a sturdy metal frame, it supports up to 400 pounds, making it one of the more robust options in its category. The wide 21-inch seat and supportive backrest provide excellent comfort, even during extended sitting sessions. The padded armrests are a thoughtful addition, especially for users who need extra support when sitting down or standing up. Despite its strength, the chair remains relatively portable at just over 10 pounds. It folds into a compact size and includes a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport and store. Setup may feel slightly tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes quick and straightforward. Functionality is another highlight. The side table with cup holder and phone slot, along with an extra storage pocket, keeps your essentials organized and within reach. User feedback praises its stability, comfort, and versatility even for indoor use. Overall, the Timber Ridge chair is a dependable, heavy-duty option that offers great value for both outdoor adventures and everyday seating needs. Number 2. The Sunnyfield Camping Director's Chair, oversized, heavy-duty, is a fantastic choice for outdoor lovers who prioritize comfort, convenience, and durability. Designed with a sturdy alloy steel frame, this chair supports up to 300 pounds while offering a stable and secure seating experience for camping, fishing, picnics, or even backyard relaxation. One of its standout features is the thoughtful, user-friendly design. The anti-pinching mechanism and click-to-lock system makes setup quick and hassle-free, even for beginners. Once unfolded, the chair feels solid and well-built, with breathable Oxford cloth and mesh that enhance comfort during long sitting sessions. The built-in side table and storage options truly set this chair apart. With a dedicated space for drinks, a phone holder, and multiple pockets, you can keep all your essentials within easy reach, no need to constantly get up or search for your items. Despite its slightly heavier weight at around 13.4 pounds, the chair remains portable thanks to the included carry bag and compact foldable design. Users particularly appreciate the comfortable seat height, making it easy to sit down and stand up, especially for older users. Overall, the Sunnyfield Camping Director's Chair delivers excellent value with its combination of durability, smart features, and comfort. It's a reliable, all-in-one seating solution for both outdoor adventures and everyday use. Number 1. The CLIQ Portable Chair Version 1.0 2-Chair Bundle is a compact and cleverly designed seating solution built for outdoor enthusiasts who value portability without sacrificing durability. Whether you're heading to a concert, camping trip, beach day, or picnic, this lightweight folding chair is designed to go wherever you go. One of the standout features is its ultra-compact, foldable design. When packed, the chair is about the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry in a backpack or attach using the included carry bag. Despite its small size, setup is impressively quick. You can have it fully assembled and ready to use in just seconds. In terms of build quality, the CLIQ chair doesn't disappoint. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop ballistic nylon, it feels sturdy and well-engineered. It supports up to 300 to 350 pounds while weighing just around 3.5 pounds, striking a great balance between strength and portability. The tip-proof design adds extra stability on uneven ground, which is ideal for outdoor environments. User feedback highlights its convenience and surprising sturdiness, especially for events where portability matters most. Some users mention it's slightly heavier than expected and priced higher than competitors, but the premium materials and performance justify the cost. Overall, the CLIQ portable chair is a reliable, durable, and highly portable option perfect for anyone who wants comfort on the go without bulky gear. That's it for our best camping chairs review for 2026. I hope this helped you find the perfect chair for your next outdoor adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews and buying guides. Let me know in the comments which chair you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.